Now this right here is an interesting question with ratio. There's ratio involved, there's percentage involved, there's money involved, and there's three people involved, A, B and C. So let's read. The sum of money is shared among Ali, Ben, Ali, Bala and Catherine. Ali receives 45% of the money, and the ratio of Ali's share to Bala's share is 9:7. So we already have A is to B in terms of ratio. Okay, so if Catherine receives $400, okay, Ali and Bala already done. Catherine $400, how much more money does Ali receive than Catherine? Now we know that Ali got 45%, so what you can do is to change everything to units so that you can use a ratio to help you out. So for Ali, he says 45%, which is 45 over 100, divide by 5, 9 out of a total of 20. So very nice. Ali is to Bala is to, can develop for Catherine as well. We know that Ali got 9. Alright, according to this, 9 and 9, very nice, it's already the same. So if it's not the same, we need to make it the same. Okay, so Bala is 7, and the remaining will go to Catherine. Now the total is 20 units here, right? 9 out of 20, which means total unit shared is 20, which means Catherine will have 20 minus 9 minus 7. Let's see how many units does she have. 20 minus 9 minus 7, there will be 4 units. So over here we put 4. Alright, so that 4 units of Catherine is $400. That's what they said. You can find 1 unit. $100. Okay, now what's the difference between Ali and Catherine? Ali and Catherine, the difference is 9 minus 4, that is 5 units. So 5 units, so simple now. 100 times 5, answer is $500. This is the final answer for this question. Very interesting. So many things involved, right? Ratio, percentage, money. So you can exchange the percentage to fractions, and from there you can convert it into units. You can use your ratio to help you out. Thank you.